Looking for the best coding apps to learn programming on Android? In this video, we're counting down the 5 best coding apps for Android in 2026, packed with useful features for beginners and experienced learners alike. Let's get started. Number 5 is Learn Python, Code Lab by Ocean, a beginner-friendly app that's making coding simple and accessible. With a 4.4-star rating, over 50,000 reviews, and more than 5 million downloads, it's a solid choice for anyone starting their programming journey. The app teaches Python through easy step-by-step lessons, so you don't need any previous coding experience. Each topic includes interactive exercises and quizzes that help you remember what you've learned instead of just reading theory. One of its best features is the built-in code editor. You can write, test, and improve your code directly inside the app, making practice quick and convenient wherever you are. Learning is completely self-paced, so whether you have 5 minutes or an hour, you can keep improving without feeling rushed. You'll also work through practical coding examples that help you understand how Python is used in real-world projects. Whether you're a student, a future developer, or simply curious about programming, this app gives you a fun and structured way to build real coding skills. Number 4 is Learn Python Programming, a beginner-friendly app designed to help you learn Python anytime, anywhere. With a 4.7-star rating, over 65,000 reviews, and more than 1 million downloads, it's already helping thousands of future developers build real coding skills. The app includes easy-to-follow Python tutorials, step-by-step lessons, and over 100 code examples with clear comments, so you understand not just what the code does, but why it works. Getting ready for an interview or coding exam? You'll also find practice questions, answers, and important exam-focused content to test your knowledge and boost your confidence. What makes this app stand out is its clean layout and beginner-friendly approach. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you can learn at your own pace, whether you're just starting or improving your existing Python skills. If you're serious about learning one of the world's most in-demand programming languages, Learn Python Programming is definitely worth checking out. Follow for the rest of the top coding apps that can help you level up your programming journey. At number 3, it's Programming Hub. Learn to code, one of the most complete coding apps you can download today. With an impressive 4.7-star rating, over 217,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads, it's trusted by millions of learners around the world. Whether you're starting with Python, Java, C++, HTML, JavaScript, SQL, or even AI basics, this app brings everything together in one place. What makes it stand out? You get bite-sized interactive lessons, over 5,000 real code examples, and a built-in compiler that lets you practice your code instantly without switching apps. The learning experience feels simple, engaging, and beginner-friendly, making it easier to build coding skills step by step. Another bonus? The app has been recognized by Google Play and is designed to help learners stay focused with a clean, easy-to-use interface. If you're serious about learning programming from your phone, Programming Hub is definitely worth checking out. Stay tuned because the top 2 coding apps are even more impressive. The number 2, it's Mimo, and if you've been waiting for the perfect app to start coding, this could be the one. With an impressive 4.6-star rating, nearly 700,000 reviews, and over 10 million downloads, Mimo has earned the trust of millions of future developers. Instead of overwhelming you with long lectures, Mimo teaches through short, interactive lessons that fit into your daily routine. Whether you want to learn Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, SQL, or even full-stack development, the learning path is clear and beginner-friendly. What really makes Mimo stand out is its hands-on approach. You're not just watching tutorials. You'll write real code, build websites, create apps, and develop portfolio projects that showcase your skills. It also includes AI-powered coding tools that help you understand code, fix mistakes, and improve faster. giving you experience with workflows used by modern developers. Plus, the built-in mobile code editor lets you practice almost anywhere, while progress tracking, certificates, streaks, and leaderboards keep you motivated every step of the way. At number 1, this app has already helped millions start programming from scratch, and it might be exactly what you need. Meet SoloLearn. Learn to code. With a solid 4.5-star rating, over 714,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads, it's one of the most trusted coding apps for Android. Whether you want to learn Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, SQL, or explore other popular programming languages, SoloLearn makes learning simple with bite-sized lessons that fit into your daily routine. Instead of just watching tutorials, you'll actually write real code, solve interactive challenges, and complete hands-on projects. That means you're building practical skills while you learn, making every lesson more useful. One standout feature is its AI-powered personalized learning, which recommends lessons based on your progress and goals, helping you stay focused without feeling overwhelmed. The built-in mobile code editor also lets you practice anytime, whether you're on a lunch break, commuting, or relaxing at home. If you're aiming for a career in software development, web development, or data analytics, SoloLearn includes structured learning paths and offers certificates you can add to your portfolio after completing eligible courses. It's beginner-friendly, flexible, and packed with interactive features that keep learning engaging from day one. That's our list of the 5 best coding apps for Android in 2026. Which app is your favorite? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech recommendations.